Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to tell you a quick way to fix the VMware service error. So whenever you click here, as you can see, you are getting the VMware workstation failed to start the VMware Authorization Service. Now, now to fix this error, just click on the OK. Just go to the start bar, click run. From here, you can open the amsconfig. Just go to the services tab. Just make sure to check this box. Now as you can see that these are all unchecked. Just hit this tab, enable all, click apply and OK. Exit without restart. Now after doing this, just go to the start menu and type there services. Find the VMware Service Authorization Service. Here you go. Just right click on the VMware service and click start. As you can see, the status has been set to running. Now you'll try the power on the virtual machine. Just go to the VMware and click the power on this virtual machine tab. So finally, as you can see, the error has been gone. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.